Good morning, class second. Class is on maths book, and today we'll start chapter 6 footprints. What's the chapter's name? Footprints. Okay. So, class, the chapter's name is footprints. So, the first thing, what is footprint? Footprints means a mark or print of your foot. Okay. Whenever we go anywhere, we also put some marks on the ground. Okay. Yes or no? We or anything. We or animal or bird anywhere. ओके जब भी हम लोग कहीं जाते हैं तो हम लोग के जो प्रिंट्स हैं, ठीक है, हम लोग के जो मार्क हैं लेग्स के, पैरों के, पंजों के, वो ग्राउंड पे पड़ते हैं कि नहीं पड़ते हैं? पड़ते हैं ना. सो दिस चैप्टर इज अबाउट फुट प्रिंट्स. ओके, अबाउट ह्यूमन बीइंग, अबाउट एनिमल्स, अबाउट बर्ड्स, अबाउट लीव्स. ओके, किसी भी चीज़ के प्रिंट्स. ओके, सो here there are some story for you. You want to hear the story? Okay, very good. Let's start the first story. First story is about Bholu and the footprints. Okay, in this story there is a character whose name is Bholu. Okay, and the footprints. In this story there are many footprints. So let's hear what is this. One day some baby animals were playing on a muddy road in a jungle. Okay, one day what happened? There are some animals, okay, baby animals, and they were playing on a muddy road in a jungle. Okay, all of a sudden an elephant shouted means cried loudly, run, run, go to your homes, Bholu is coming to shoot with his camera. Okay, so what the elephant said? That run, run, go away. Okay, go to your homes fastly. Okay, otherwise भोलू इज कमिंग हियर टू शूट विथ योर कैमरा. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, ये जो एलिफेंट है तेज चिल्लाते हुए कहता है जल्दी जल्दी घर भागो, जल्दी अपने घर चलो. ठीक, क्यों? क्योंकि जो भोलू है वो यहाँ आ रहा है. क्यों आ रहा है भाई? वो अपना कैमरा लेके आ रहा है हम लोग की पिक्चर को कैप्चर करने के लिए, क्लिक करने के लिए. सो ऑल द बेबी एनिमल्स रैन अवे. ओके, आफ्टर हियरिंग दिस अलर्ट बाय दिस एलिफेंट, all these animals, tiger, elephant, hen, frog, they all were ran away to their home. Okay, when Bholu came with his camera, here he is Bholu. Okay, he is the photographer and he came here with his camera. All he saw the footprints of these animals. Here you can see there is a muddy ground. Okay, and when here this Bholu came with his camera, he saw many types of footprints, okay, of baby animals. Clear? यहाँ पे जब ये भोलू आता है तो क्या देखता है, यहाँ पे कई सारे एनिमल्स के क्या हैं, फुटप्रिंट्स हैं. उसको कोई एनिमल तो मिलता नहीं है क्योंकि जो एलिफेंट उसको अलर्ट कर देता है. तो सारे एनिमल क्या करते हैं, जल्दी जल्दी दौड़ते हुए अपने घर चले जाते हैं. लेकिन जब वो जाते हैं तो रास्ते में क्या छोड़ जाते हैं, अपने फुटप्रिंट्स. ओके, whenever we go or walk on a road or land, we also put some footprints. Okay, yes or no? Yes na. So just like that these animals left their footprints. Okay, so now here the question is, can you match the animals with their footprints? Here there are some footprints, you have to write them, that विच फुटप्रिंट्स ऑफ विच एनिमल. ओके, कौन सा फुटप्रिंट किस एनिमल का है. सो हियर द फर्स्ट वन, दिस फुटप्रिंट इज ऑफ हैन. ओके, दिस हैन. क्लियर? ये जो फुटप्रिंट है किसका है, ये हैन का है. हियर द सेकेंड फुटप्रिंट इज ऑफ टाइगर. ओके, दिस टाइगर. क्लियर? एंड हियर द बिग फुटप्रिंट्स इज ऑफ एलिफेंट. बड़े बड़े फुटप्रिंट किसके हैं, एलिफेंट के हैं. And here this small footprints are of frog. Okay, ये किसके हैं, ये frog के हैं. Clear? So this chapter is about footprints. Okay, whenever we go anywhere we also put some footprints. Okay, yes or no? Yes na. So just like us, animals also put their footprint. Okay, so clear? What is this? This chapter is about footprint. Now next is this. Now the next question is, draw the footprints of a dog in this box. Here you can see there is a box and here you have to draw footprints of a dog. Okay, and you will do this question by yourself. यहाँ क्या करना है, डॉग, डॉग का क्या करना है, फुटप्रिंट्स। ओके, डॉग के जो पैरों पंजे होते हैं उसके यहाँ पे उसके प्रिंट बनाने हैं, ठीक है, उसके निशान बनाने हैं। ओके, so clear class how to this question? Now next is make the footprint of your friend on the floor, is it smaller than yours? So here the next thing is you and your friend have to make some footprints on the ground. Okay, and you have to find out which is smaller and which is bigger. Okay, is it smaller than yours? Okay, you have to find out that your friend's footprints are smaller than you or bigger than you. So okay, so you have to do this practical on the ground with your friend. Now next is trace and guess. Ron is tracing a leaf. You also collect a few things like leaves, pebbles, a stick, a bangle, bindis, trace, each things here. So here class, in this question there is a boy. Okay, you can see here there is a boy whose name is Ron, and he is tracing a leaf. Okay, there are some varieties of leaf here and he was tracing them. Okay, so you have to also trace some leaves. You can use leaves, pebbles. Pebbles means जो छोटे छोटे marbles होते हैं ना, stick, bangle, bindis, anything. Okay, you can use anything. Okay, some objects, and here in this box, in this space, you have to trace them. Clear how to this question? And they are also their prints. Okay, whenever you trace these objects, the outlinings are their prints. Okay, now next thing is Ruhi made two different traces of the same bowl. Here you can see there is a girl whose name is Ruhi, and also she made something. She made some traces. Okay, some designs, some shapes with the use of same bowl. Okay, here the first one is small and here the second one is bigger. Bowl is same but their prints are different. First print is smaller and second print is bigger. So you have to do here, how did Ruhi keep the bowl to get two different traces from it? So here you have to find out that how did Ruhi do this. Bowl is same. Okay, there is one bowl only, but their shapes are different, their prints are different. How? Because in the first shape, see, use the upper side of this bowl. Okay, देख रहे हो, जो जिसका नीचे का एरिया है, डाउन एरिया, उसको यूज करती है, सीधा करके उसको करती है, ठीक ना. बट इन दिस सेकेंड फिगर सी टर्न अप दैट बाउल एंड देन ट्रेस द आउटलाइनिंग. ओके, जो ये फर्स्ट बाउल है उसमें नीचे का पोर्शन को ट्रेस करती है, उसको सीधा रख के, और जो सेकंड फिगर है उसमें उस बाउल को वो उल्टा कर देती है. ठीक, अब जो उसका ऊपर का पोर्शन था वो नीचे आ गया, अब उसको ट्रेस करती है. दैट्स वाई द फिगर्स आर डिफरेंट, द प्रिंट्स आर डिफरेंट. Okay, look for other things like Ruhi's bowl which can give many different traces. Just like this, you have to also use different type of things. Okay, and when you draw these figures, when you trace these prints, their shapes and size will be different, just like this. Okay, जैसे यहाँ पर रूही ने क्या किया, बाउल एक ही था, लेकिन उसको जब सीधा करके ट्रेस किया तो साइज छोटा था, जब उसको उल्टा करके किया तो साइज बड़ा हो गया. Okay, so just like this you have to also do this activity in other pages. Okay, at your rough copy. Now this is done. Next is, now here in this, more fun with tracing. Okay, you like tracing or not? Very good, like it. Collect some things such as a potato, a bottle cap, a matchbox cover, a sharpener, an eraser, a spoon, a bus ticket, a coin, a straw. You can also use, you can also bring other things. Okay, so here in this question there is a space. In this space you have to use these things and then trace here. Okay, trace their outlining. Okay, and you can also use different type of things. Okay, trace each of these, ask your friends to guess. Here in this you have, firstly you have to trace some objects. Okay, and then you have to ask your friend that find out which thing is it. Okay, whose prints are there. Clear? So just like that, I have already traced some objects outlining. Okay, so just like this you have to also do this. Just like this is outlining of potato, matchbox, coin, eraser, sharpener, bus ticket, bottle cap, straw, spoon. Okay, you can also use some different things. So this is done. Next is, look at the shape of each trace you have made. See if it looks like any of the shapes given here. Write the name of that thing below the shape. So class, here in this question, you have to find out those objects shape. Okay, whatever you have drawn or traced some objects prints, you have to find out that which objects are similar to these shapes. जो अभी हम लोग पिछले पेज में कुछ फिगर्स के प्रिंट्स को ट्रेस किए हैं ना, आउटलाइनिंग को ट्रेस किए हैं ना, जस्ट लाइक बॉटल कैप, पोटैटो, कॉइन, इरेजर एंड स्पून एंड स्ट्रॉ. ओके, so just like you have to find out the similar shape. Just like this is a circle shape, so bottle cap and coin are look like a circle shape. Yes or no? Yes na? So you will write here in circle area. Next, here there are rectangle shape. Rectangle shape, yes or no? Yes na? So you have to find out that which objects are look like a rectangle and square shape. Okay, rectangle and square shape. So you can write eraser, sharpener and bus ticket. These objects are in rectangle shape. Triangle, there are no triangle shape there. Okay, next is oval. So potato is an oval shape. Yes or no? Yes na? So here we will write potato. So clear class, how to this question and what you have learned in this chapter? You have learned about footprints, about tracing of any object, about shapes of any object. Okay, about outlining of any object, that how to draw an outlining, how we find out the shape of any object. Clear? So class, here I stop this chapter. We'll continue the next pages in our next class. So it's enough for the day. Thank you.